Okay guys, lost my hat. I'm in a pedicab. This is John and we're on CTM Recto. As you know, each week I travel on a pedicab. So John has turned around and taken me from Rizal Street along CM Recto up here, and it's 30 pesos. So what's going on today? And there we go, it's there. Oh wow, look at that. There we go, look. The skyline of Davao City. I don't know whether I'm supposed to be on CM Recto in an electric pedicab. But 1 o'clock. Normally I walk here. Here. Okay lang? Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That was quick, that's it. It's closed?
Yes. Oh, check.
Hey, Kuya.
Kaya daw.
Closed?
Check. Close daw. Yes, close. Close.
Holiday?
Holiday. Close tomorrow. Get back tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow? Well, look at that. So, Cafe Javesio is closed today. He says it's a holiday. Is it holiday today? No. Oh. So I don't understand that. Why they turn around and it's closed. Maybe it's got money problems. So oh. Are we okay? Oh, look at that. Oh. So it's one of those little Chinese cycles for around 20,000 pesos. Gets you all day travelling. Wow, look at that. So you got the high-rise condos here on CMT Recto, and this used to be Adivenco, and it's being demolished. It's being pulled down after many years. It's become a construction site. So Marco Polo's on the left hand side up there. It's a really windy day today. I think there's a low pressure coming in, or a typhoon is going to be coming into Davao. It's very windy. It's really nice though. As I said, Avida Towers is over there. Then you've got the new condominium and mini mall that's in there by Robinson's. Says now it's open. There's a red sign down there, but it's not. I just tried going up the escalator, and the escalator's not working, so I can't vlog that today. So I'm vlogging this. Look at that. There's Claveria, and we're coming along to Roxas. I'm going to go this way. Let's have a look from the other side of the road what it looks like. But it's end of an era really for Adivenco. I remember coming here years ago and picking up my money change and clothes and souvenirs and gifts and loads of stuff that was really good for taking back to the UK. But oh, you get a better sight from this side, don't you? There we go. So there's the condo. And the guy there turns around and telling the jeepney, stop, don't stop on the corner, just keep going. There you go. So it used to be lots of little alleys and shops and areas in there that you could just walk in and go and get your money, get your gold, get your souvenirs. Majority of it was run by Muslims. They make very, very, very good business people. But now it's, you know, that's what it looks like. I don't know what it's going to be turned into. I don't know whether it's going to be turned into a park. It's not going to be a swimming pool area because the wall over there already has a swimming pool for the condo there and the condo there, and the mall is inside there. This area, I think, will most probably just be a nice park area. But there we go. I'm going to post some pictures. There were some guys earlier on clambering over the cabling and up on the top here and all, doing all that normal stuff they do in the Philippines without safety gear, without hard hats and without safety shoes, PPE they call it in other parts of the world. But it's 12 o'clock and 12:30, so it's lunchtime. Let's turn around and chill out, shall we? I don't know what they're going to paint on the outside of that wall or what they're going to decorate it with or whatever. But this is the top of Roxas. There we go. Going up there goes the Boynton Street. There's a Marco Polo. It's not open. Claveria, Antonio, Roxas night market is on this road here at night from around 5 o'clock. Who, me? Okay lang. Kumusta? Okay lang?
Okay, okay.
Oh. Is this going to become a park?
Parking area.
Parking area. Okay. Very nice. Salamat kuya. Look. Oh, very, very, very. Boogie, 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 huh? Boogie. Okay. So they're 3 deep across the corner, which is forcing the people from CMT Recto to do a huge U-turn to come here. And now the van is parked, so nobody can get through this junction now. That's it, you sound your horn. There is nobody standing there. Let's see. So, don't want to stop. The man with the cane was just asking me for some money.